What's up, guys? So, I think the GoPro Max is a great camera. I've been using it for a long time for a lot of my YouTube videos on my main channel, the Michael Relevant Skateboarding channel. And this video is the GoPro Max, and I don't think you need another GoPro. I don't think you need like a GoPro Hero 7 or 8 to do 4K because the 1080 in the GoPro Max is just as good in my opinion. Like nobody's going to be able to tell the difference. I've watched a lot of videos comparing it side by side with the 4K and the other GoPros, and it's so similar. It would be very hard to tell a difference. And the GoPro Max, the stability is better than any other GoPro, and it's a 360 camera, so you can do stuff like that right there. You know, like it's so useful for filming yourself because you can follow yourself. You don't have to worry about a drone or a DJI Osmo like failing and not getting the shot and messing up. I can't depend on gimbals or like anything where you little draw the little square around yourself and it follows you. It just doesn't work most of the time. And if you're skateboarding and you land a trick and it didn't film it, that's just not gonna work. So yeah, the GoPro Hero Max is the one camera that I could not do without because the audio is good. I'm using my phone right now and the audio is terrible, but like when I actually use the GoPro Max for YouTube videos, the audio is just as good as a Rode video mic on a Canon camera. Um, and it's just so simple. It's made making YouTube videos fun again. It's making them easy. It's making my workflow so much easier. I've been getting out so many more videos on my skateboarding channel with that camera. So I definitely would suggest you check out the GoPro Hero Max. This is you could color grade it, make it look cinematic a little bit, but you're not gonna be able to pull too much out of it. But as you can see from this footage, this is a pretty good camera. Like you could just set it in linear mode or wide and it would look more cinematic and more realistic than using it as a 360 camera like they are here in this clip. But as you can see from the detail in this, like it's a great camera. I would definitely suggest it. It is actually better than the Insta360. I made one video where I was going to switch to the Insta360 1R, but you have to plug an extra mic in and it's just so much trouble. It's not better. Uh, the 1 inch sensor doesn't look any better either. So I would just go with the GoPro Hero Max if you guys are thinking about it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button and thanks for watching.